Assalamu alaikum to all of you. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Students, I hope you all are good. So this video is basically for the quiz competition of Pakistan Studies and the subject code is 2059. This quiz is from the book of History and Culture of Pakistan. It is comprised of Unit 3 and Unit 4 of O2 and Unit 2 of O1. So we are going to start our quiz. We would look upon the questions one by one and then we would find out the answers. So let's begin. So the first question is, what were the main causes of War of Independence in 1857? So there were lots of causes like political, religious, social, military and economic. So the next question is, what language was adopted in administrational matters in British rule? So English replaced Persian as an official language of administration in the subcontinent. Next question. What was the purpose of Christian missionaries? So basically they came to convert the local population into Christianity and expect them to follow Christian teachings. Who led Indian troops in Kanpur War? Answer is Nana Sahib. Who was Lakshmi Bai? The answer is she was a Rani of Jhansi. She was the main opposition faced by British after fall of Lucknow. The next question. Why did War of Independence fail? So there were two main reasons. The first one was lack of unity among Indians and the other was strength of British. The next question. When did Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born? So the answer is in 1817 in Delhi. The next question. Why was Sir Syed unhappy with the position of Muslims in subcontinent? Answer is that he felt that Muslims were treated as second-class citizens by the British and Hindus. The next question. What message did Sir Syed give to British in his book The Loyal Mohammedans of India? So the answer is, in this work he defended the Muslims from the British accusation that they were disloyal. What did Sir Syed point out in his work Tabiinul Kalam? So the answer is he pointed out similarities between Islam and Christianity to improve the relations between Muslims and Christians. What was the purpose of scientific society? So it was made to make scientific writings available to a wider market by translation from English, Persian or Arabic into Urdu. Who founded Mohammedan Educational Conference? Sir Syed in 1886. What happened at Day of Deliverance? So members of Congress resigned from provisional governments in 1939. It was celebrated as end of oppression and injustice that had occurred under Congress rule. Next question. Who put forward the Pakistan resolution? So Maulvi Fazlul Haq at an annual session of Muslim League held in Lahore. So he was the person behind putting forward the Pakistan resolution. The next question. When did Cripps mission come to India? So in March 1942. Why Muslim League did not support Quit India resolution? Because it was Hindus' attempt to drive British out of India to gain control and run India according to their anti-Muslims wish. Next question. Which parties took part in Simla conference? So Congress, Muslim League, Sikhs and other groups, they all participated in Simla conference. The next question. Why Congress did not accept cabinet mission plan? Congress was actually opposed to any partition and was not ready to accept Jinnah's ideas of separate homelands for Muslims and Hindus. What happened at Direct Action Day? Muslims wanted to show their strength and solidarity through peaceful demonstrations. It was a struggle against both British and Hindus for their separate homeland. How was the separation of subcontinent to be carried out according to 3rd June plan? So there would be two states, Pakistan and India, with dominion status according to the 3rd June plan. Why were Muslims disappointed by Red Cliff Award? Both Firozpur and Gurdaspur were given to India despite Muslim majority. Calcutta was given to India even though it was surrounded by Muslim areas. The next question. What was the result of Shimla Agreement for Pakistan in 1971? So prisoners of 1971 war captured by India were to be released. What were the Bhutto reforms? Industrial reforms, agricultural reforms, education, health and social reforms, administrative reforms. What were the results of 1977 elections? So 154 out of 200 seats were won by the Pakistan People's Party. When did Ziaul Haq impose martial law? So on 5th July 1977. The next question. What was the Zakat ordinance? It was like 2.5% wealth tax on savings over a certain amount. What was the Usher ordinance? 5% tax on the agricultural income. What was Afghan miracle? So basically in December 1979, Soviet tanks rolled into Afghanistan. So it was Russian invasion into Afghanistan. Next question. What is the unique badge of Benazir Bhutto as a prime minister? So she became the first woman prime minister in history of Islamic countries. What were the major problems ruling in country faced by Benazir Bhutto in her first tenure? So inflation, unemployment, drug trafficking, less education and health as compared to population. Who dismissed the Benazir Bhutto's government in 1990? So President Ghulam Ishaq Khan used 8th Amendment to dismiss Benazir Bhutto in 1990. Next question. Why did US aid was lost during Sharif leadership? Soviet-Afghan war was ended. Dispute over Pakistan's nuclear weapon policy. These were the two main reasons. The next question. What was the BCCI scandal? So Bank of Credit and Commerce International was charged with widespread fraud and manipulations. Who dismissed Benazir Bhutto during her second tenure as Prime Minister? President of that time, Farooq Ahmad Khan Lagari, used 8th Amendment to dismiss Benazir Bhutto during her second tenure. What was the plane conspiracy? In October 1999, Sharif did not allow Musharraf's plane to land and tried to change the Chief of Army Staff. Why was the Minorities Pact signed in 1950? To provide protection and religious freedom to the minorities in Pakistan and India. What was the result of 1965 war? So after 3 weeks of fighting, Soviet Union arranged a ceasefire conference in Tashkent which asked both countries, Pakistan and India, to settle their disputes peacefully. The next question. What was the Kargil conflict? In April 1999, Muslim Kashmiri guerrillas crossed the line of control and captured Indian occupied towns of Kargil and Dras. So you can see the LOC between India and Pakistan in the picture attached. The next question. What is CETO and when was it formed? So this is Southeast Asia Treaty Organization and it was formed in September 1954. The next question. What was U-2 affair? In 1960, an American spy plane had taken off from Peshawar and was shot down over Soviet territory. The next question. Why Pakistan left Commonwealth in 1971? So in 1971, when Britain recognized Bangladesh as a separate nation, Pakistan left Commonwealth as a protest. What is WHO and its objective? So it is World Health Organization and its basic purpose is attainment by all people of the highest possible level of wealth. All right? Okay students, the next question. What is ILO and its objective? It's International Labour Organization and it provides social justice by ensuring adequate working conditions for employees across the world. So the next question is what is UNICEF? So it is basically United Nations Children's Fund and it speaks for the rights of children like child labor and hunger, food, poverty for the children. Best of luck students. This was all about the quiz competition. Prepare well. Allah Hafiz.